mynews.studio.
Picture a lab where a single shot could potentially shift the balance in the fight against cancer. Could a custom vaccine really change things on a global scale?
Today is 2025-10/21. Let's get to the basics. What exactly sets this mRNA cancer vaccine apart from earlier treatments?
The key difference is that it isn't a one-size-fits-all approach. With this method, scientists design a vaccine specifically for each patient. They analyze the genetic mutations unique to that person's tumor. Instead of using treatments like chemotherapy or radiation, which affect both healthy and cancer cells, this vaccine teaches the immune system to spot and attack cells carrying those precise mutations.
So, just to clarify, they sequence the tumor to find mutations. Those are neoantigens, right?
Yes, exactly. Neoantigens are found only on cancer cells, not on healthy ones. Researchers use these as the template for the vaccine. They create an mRNA sequence matching those neoantigens, inject it, and then let the immune system respond. It's like giving the immune system a specific target to look for.
That sounds very targeted, but also, doesn't that make it expensive and slow? How quickly can they actually make one of these vaccines for a patient?
That's a major challenge. Making a personalized vaccine means sequencing, designing, and manufacturing for each individual. It's not like producing flu vaccines in bulk. Right now, the timeline is measured in weeks, and the cost can go over $100,000 per dose.
Which brings up access. If it's that resource-intensive, how do we prevent this from being available only to people in wealthier countries?
Researchers are aware of the gap. At the same time, there's ongoing work on universal mRNA cancer vaccines. These aren't personalized, but instead aim to trigger a broader immune response. They're less costly and can be made at scale. Some teams are looking at hybrid approaches, using an off-the-shelf component with some tailored parts to lower costs and expand access.
What about the science itself? Is it always possible to find the right neoantigens for every patient?
That's still a big hurdle. Not every neoantigen is equally effective at prompting an immune response, so choosing the right ones is critical. Artificial intelligence is helping refine this process. There's also the challenge of making sure the mRNA is delivered properly to the right cells. These are all active areas of research.
Zooming out a bit, what types of cancer are being targeted first, and when might patients actually start seeing these vaccines?
The first targets are melanoma and pancreatic cancer. Both have urgent clinical needs, and early results look promising. If things stay on track, some approvals could happen by 2029. But for broader access, especially in lower-income areas, it'll take more time.
Beyond headlines, why does this matter on a global scale? How could it shift cancer care for everyone?
Cancer remains one of the leading causes of death worldwide. If this strategy works, it could help save millions and reduce reliance on harsh treatments. Still, it raises questions about fairness. Will these advances reach everyone? Solutions will need international cooperation, new ways of manufacturing, and better regulation.
So we might be heading toward a future where cancer treatment is as individual as a fingerprint, but only if the system can support it. Would you call this a moon landing moment for cancer care?
It has that potential, if we can keep access and affordability in step with the science. If not, there's a risk the breakthrough could help only a few and leave others behind.
That's our show for today. We looked at how personalized mRNA vaccines are shaping cancer care, the promise of universal vaccines, and the challenges of making sure no one is left out.
The science is moving quickly, but the real challenge will be ensuring these advances reach everyone who needs them.
Thanks for listening. This episode was produced by mynews.studio. You can try it now for free.